Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Watch application stuck on checking for update in 2026. Now, first of all, your iPhone and your Apple Watch must be connected properly. So make sure that Bluetooth is also on and both the devices are close to each other. Also ensure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Now, if connection is stable but it still shows checking, then you can just simply refresh the link. For that, simply restart your iPhone and your Apple Watch. Once both are back on, you just have to open your watch application. After that, basically this is going to refresh the connection and clears the temporary glitches. Now you can also go to your iPhone settings and then you can look for the option of reset network settings. Now this is going to clear Wi-Fi and Bluetooth errors that blocks the updates. Then you can reconnect it to Wi-Fi and try again. Now you need to also make sure that your Apple Watch has enough space, at least 50% battery also available. Also keep it on the charger during the update. If you feel that the requirements are not met, the update may not start. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Apple Watch is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.